Hey guys and girls, let me ask you a question. Are your closet shelves cluttered with wig factory boxes? Mine are. Here's my closet shelf, and frankly, I would rather have pocketbooks, shoes, hats, and some other items. Stacking factory boxes can be tedious. I actually have a couple of closets in my house that are stacked with wig factory boxes. And of course, in my closet, the shelves I really would prefer to use for shoes, hats, other items. I have found a really good product that saves space for wig storage. It's made by Ganvas Beauty. It is a wig bag, and when you receive it, it's folded, and then you unfold it. It's approximately 21 inches long, and it comes with a convenient hook that you can just undo and place at the top to hang this in your closet. So you can hang it just like an article of clothing. Let me show you how easy it is to use. It's very easy to store your wigs in the Ganvas Beauty Wig Bag. Unzip and take your favorite styles. I have Longing for Long by Raquel Welch in the color Glazed Strawberry, and I have Maximum Impact by Raquel Welch in the color Hazelnut. Now usually I would put one of the black netting around my wigs and then open the bag and slide them in. It's very quick and easy. And what's great is you can fit up to 3 wigs in the bag. Once you have them inside, just get them arranged. Your wigs are ready to hang. You can just hang it up alongside your clothes for convenient, easy storage. Now this storage method is perfect for bundles, closures, frontals, hair extensions, full wigs, half wigs, whatever your alternative hair needs are. And it's great for transporting bundles and wigs. It's great for travel. These wig bags fit perfectly inside suitcases and overnight bags. So you can carry your hair extensions and your wigs and other alternative hair quickly and conveniently, and see how it folds. So you can definitely fit your other clothes, shoes, and items in your overnight bag. And then when you reach your destination, just use the hanger and hang this up. These bags are constructed with a durable but breathable material, so there's no worry about humidity or moisture disturbing your wigs. It keeps your wigs dust-free, pet hair-free, and dirt-free. Another thing I like about this convenient hanger is that you can use it to dry your wigs. At least that's what I do. See how it comes apart? When I wash my wigs, I just slide part of the wig in there, lock the hanger, hang it, and it can dry. It's an affordable, great way to store your wigs. Now, if you're interested in purchasing the wig bag, I will leave a link in the video description box under the video where you can click and shop. Be sure to use my special discount code Julia10 at ganvasbeauty.com. Thank you so much for watching my review of the Ganvas Beauty Wig Bag. Take care. Bye-bye.